You're a public company and looking for a way to tell your story to millions of online investors.
Welcome to AGORACOM, North America's largest online investor relations firm. We deliver investor relations to the web's biggest sites and search engines to help you find new investors. In addition to those websites, over 1 million investors read over 95 million pages of news and information on AGORACOM this year. AGORACOM, where smart public companies and investors click.
Good morning. It's Thursday, October the 30th, and you're watching AGORACOM Small Cap News TV. I'm your host, Paul Kondakos. AGORACOM TV is a daily, fast-paced, edgy show bringing you the best press releases at the open, along with the halt, so that you can hopefully profit from them and potentially find your next great small cap investment. I've got 4 great press releases to report on this morning. I have no halts to report on at this time. So without any further ado, let's get down to business. Our top story comes out of a company called Garson Gold Corp. They trade on the TSX Venture under the symbol GG. They're announcing diamond drill results from their 100% owned New Britannia mine property, which is located at Snow Lake, Manitoba. Highlights from the company, or highlights from the press release, come out of hole number BDY08-77 or hole 77, which included a 49-meter intersection with an average grade of 2.5 grams per ton of gold. So great numbers coming out of Garson. I've got a quote from David Tafel, who's the president of Garson Gold, who states, "The result of this hole and previously announced drill results continue to build confidence in this near-surface open pit potential at Boundary Zone." A little bit about Garson Gold. They hold a 100% interest in the New Britannia mine project, which is located in Snow Lake, Manitoba, as well as the Copper Prince property and the McMillan Gold Mine property, which is located in Ontario. Companies last at 4 cents, 52-week high of 40 cents, 52-week low of 3 cents, and the market cap that currently sits at approximately $3.2 million. Moving on to our next company, Sinchao Metals. They trade on the venture under the symbol SMZ. They've announced that they've received their NI 43-101 compliant resource estimate, and it looks like a good one. They've got 237 million tons of inferred resources, which contains an estimated 3.73 million ounces of gold, 2.45 billion pounds of copper, and 92 million ounces of silver. So yes, I'd say that's significant. The inferred resource is within a larger inferred resource of 416 million tons, grading 0.36% copper, 0.33 grams per ton of gold, and 9.3 grams per ton of silver, and that's containing an estimated 4.4 million ounces of gold, 3.3 billion pounds of copper, and 124 million ounces of silver. So great numbers coming out of Sinchao this morning. A little bit about the company. They're focused on the exploration and development of the Sinchao property, which is located in northern Peru, which is only 30 kilometers from Yanacocha, which is the largest gold mine in South America. Companies last at 6 cents, 52-week high of $1.05, 52-week low of 6 cents, so it looks like they're trading at their low right now, and they've got a market cap of approximately $3 million. So great numbers. Take a look at this company. Moving on, we're moving on to Orko Silver. They trade on the TSX Venture under the symbol OK. They've announced that they've received further assay results from its ongoing diamond drilling program at the La Preciosa project, which is located in Durango, Mexico. They've got highlights coming from hole 289, which yielded a true thickness of 7.3 meters, grading 0.31 grams per ton of gold and 406 grams per ton of silver, for a silver equivalent of 425 grams per ton of silver. They're also reporting on hole number 273, which yielded a true thickness of 10.35 meters, grading 0.38 grams per ton of gold and 208 grams per ton of silver, for a silver equivalent of 231 grams per ton. So a little bit about the company. Orko Silver is a professional exploration company with an increasing silver resource. Orko Silver principal project, La Preciosa, located near the city of Durango, Mexico, is an advanced silver and gold project. The company's last at 40 cents, 52-week high of $2.17, and the 52-week low of 28 cents. It's currently trading with a market cap of approximately $39 million. And finally, I've got CreditRiskMonitor. It's on the OTC BB, trades under the symbol CRMZ. They've reported that revenues have increased 17% and 16% respectively to $1.49 million and $4.26 million for the 3 and 9 months ended September 30th, 2008. They've also reported that their net income was $113,000 and $173,000 for the 3 and 9 months ended September 30th, 2008, and this is versus net income of $163,000 and $241,000 for the same periods last year. So revenues are up, but it looks like net income is down. You'll have to actually go take a look at their financial statements or the press release to see what accounts for that. But nonetheless, good news coming out of CreditRiskMonitor, and being in the credit risk business these days is probably a good thing, given the turmoil in the markets. Everybody wants to check everybody's credit. All financial institutions want to be checking credit, so this is a service that's going to be in demand. CreditRiskMonitor is an internet-based publisher of financial information designed to save time for busy corporate professionals that competes with Dun & Bradstreet, Equifax, and Experian. The company's last at $1.20, 52-week high of $2.60, 52-week low of $1.01, and the market cap that currently stands at approximately $9.2 million. I have no halts to report on at this time, but I do want to bring to your attention stockhalts.com. They're good friends of AGORACOM, and if you're interested in making money on stock halts, check out the website. They send you notifications when a company's been halted, and they also send you notifications as soon as a company resumes trading, which gives you the best opportunity to make money on that halt. That's a wrap for today's show. I'm your host, Paul Kandakos. Make sure you tune in again tomorrow when we've got more great press releases and halts at the open.